I am Mohammad Asif. I am working as a .NET developer in Spiro Solution. Let's just see about my project is. My domain is multimedia. The one of the concept is cross-domain future learning in multimedia. In my main theme of my project is huge number of media data such as text or image or video and social interaction information has been generated as a social media site. It is difficult to design effective future representation of how to describe the data because of the multimodal property and the multi-domain property. They involve to the effectively adopt the many applications. How the deal with the some of the issue are and how to avoid the proposed to novel cross-domain feature learning technique algorithm based on stack denoising the auto-encoders. Our existing system in our project is multimedia data contain useful information and has been adopted in many applications. Most of existing applications use the metadata such as the time, location, decryption as a feature. Number of the photo uploaded in the fixed time duration is to predict the election winner, but text description of the video are used to recommendation. The metadata are easy to be extracted, but proposed system of CDFL cross-domain feature learning, sentiment of classification, spam filtering, and even classification are special case of CDFL. And proposed cross-domain correlation knowledge used to web multimedia object transformation method is proposed to indirectly transfer to semantic knowledge of between text and images. Our existing system of technique can be used for multimodal feature learning. The technique reduce the distance of across two domain learning latest feature space and domain similarity measured through maximum meaning discrepancy. And proposed system of technique can be used cross-domain feature learning. It can be used multimodal property, conventional denoising auto-encoder, maximizing correlation among the different modalities of media data. The drawback of existing system, the now efficient uploaded images focus on the target of specific event perfectly, and low level of feature domain discrepancy, there are more noises on the images. And advantage of proposed system, efficient and maximize the correlation among the different modality of the media data, and domain discrepancy and make a different domain of denoising encoder. Our project is overall diagram is multimodal property. It can be extracted from the decryption of the information. How to avoid the denoising auto encoder? It will be based on some information. Multimodal domain property for is based text or audio or video. It will be extract from the information, and various description based on same object. It's like that same thing. Our software development requirement for operating system either Windows 7 or 8.1. Front-end is Microsoft Visual Studio .NET 2013 and latest version, and coding language C# and backend is SQL Server 2012. The hardware requirement is processor Pentium Dual Core 2.0 GHz, hard disk is 40 GB, and mouse Logitech mouse, RAM is 2 GB minimum, keyboard is 110 key enhanced. Thanks for watching.